In this brief video, I'll provide you with some information on the chakras. Many Asian spiritual traditions work with the idea that all living beings have a vital life force or energy which flows through them. This energy then passes through energy channels, and in Indian traditions, this energy is referred to as prana. In traditional Chinese medicine, we talk about qi, and in Japan, this is named ki. All of these belief systems also work with the concept of chakras. The word chakra is a Sanskrit term which means wheel of light. And what the chakras actually are energy centers within the body which align along the spine and through which our life force or energy passes. Each of the 7 chakras are associated with specific physical, emotional and spiritual aspects. And each one also plays a crucial role in our holistic and overall well-being. So starting from the base of the spine, the root chakra, the Muladhara, is associated with the colour red, and this governs stability, grounding and basic survival instincts. Moving upwards, the sacral chakra, the Svadhisthana, is represented by the colour orange. It's linked to creativity, emotions and relationships. Solar plexus chakra, the Manipura, is located between the navel and the sternum, so between the tummy button and the breastbone, and it's represented by the colour yellow. So this chakra influences our personal power, confidence and our digestion. Further up, the heart chakra, the Anahata, which is green, is located in the centre of the chest. It governs love, compassion and emotional balance. Throat chakra, the Visuddha, represented by a bright royal blue colour, is associated with communication, self-expression and authenticity. The third eye chakra, the Ajna, situated between the eyebrows and is purple, pertains to intuition, insight and spiritual awareness. And finally, the crown chakra, the Sahasrara, at the top of the head, connects to higher consciousness, spiritual enlightenment and the divine. So it's believed that when these chakras are balanced, energy flows freely, promoting physical and emotional health. Imbalances or blockages can manifest as physical or emotional issues. So practices such as meditation, yoga and energy healing aim to align and balance the chakras, fostering an overall sense of harmony in mind, body and spirit. So following on from this short introduction, you will find a couple of chakra meditations on this site for you to enjoy at your leisure. Namaste.